I'm showing you how to make a delicious limoncello spritz with only 3 ingredients. This classic Italian cocktail highlights both the tartness and sweetness from limoncello, as well as the little bubbles from prosecco. You're gonna love this recipe, and I promise you'll be sipping on it all summer long. Don't forget to subscribe for even more delicious cocktail recipes. It doesn't get much easier than these 3 simple ingredients that you'll need for your limoncello spritz. First, add some crushed ice into a wine glass. Next, we're going to add in 2 ounces of your favorite limoncello. This cocktail is super nice because you build everything in one singular glass, making cleanup a breeze, and also this is perfect for a party cocktail. Next, we're gonna layer in 4 ounces of your favorite chilled prosecco or sparkling wine. This adds some great bubbles to the cocktail. And then finally, to balance everything out, you'll need 1 ounce of chilled soda water. I would make sure to measure everything to ensure that your spritz is perfectly balanced. After everything's in the cup, give it a nice stir to mix all of the ingredients together, and then you can optionally garnish with some fresh mint leaves to make your presentation really on point. I can't wait for you to try this cocktail, especially during the hot summer months. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.